Hello, YouTubes. YouTube. I'm playing Outlast. It's my first time. Or, not really. Nah, it's been my first time. I have gum in my mouth right now. It's really sour stuff. Yeah, I've played it once, but I haven't played it for very long. I played it, and then I chickened out, to be honest. Just kidding, I completed the game completely. I'm just kidding. I chickened out. So, but that was like 2 years ago, so I'm good enough to do it. Okay, it's supposed to be #1 most scariest game in the world. That's what people have voted, but you know, I'm up for it. I'm listening to the radio, FM 1079. That's not a. I've never heard that radio station, but okay. Oh, this would have been 2.7 or something like that. I had a KF rock punk. Okay, Mount Massive asylum. It's an asylum that makes it 10 times worse. Okay. Okay, so I guess I'm just sitting here. Excuse me. I guess there's no guards. Okay, I turned off my car, which is fine. I don't really care. Confidential. Okay. I don't want to read. Too lazy. Too lazy. Okay. I don't really care. His name is Miles. Hi, Miles. My character's name is Miles. Like, it's Miles, like, Undergood or something. What's that last name? Undergood. It's a very weird last name. Okay. Woo. Woo. What? What? Yeah. Okay, if this game is already creeping me out, there's nothing good for me. That's where I chickened out. I chickened out right here. Oh, that's the door opening. Come on. Come on. No. Oh my. Get in the door. Oh my. Thank you. Okay, I don't need it. Never go open through the big doors. Go into the small little doors. Key fact. Run! 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 Run, Miles, run! His name's Miles. You get it? Please open the door. Thank you. I would love it if you would. It'd be fantastic. I'll just call him in. Hey, first one. First one. Yeah, no. First one. Hello? Okay, never mind. Yeah, we're not gonna open the door for that. Okay, there's cars. Oh, Jesus, no, that's creepy. A little crack in the fence. Jump, 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 jump. Okay. Straight ladder. Okay. This is creepy. To jump over a gap, press spacebar. Oh, I got it. Now get up. Oh, to climb up, press spacebar. Okay, so. Okay. Look at that walk. He's walking like a class. What the? Really? Really? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? You have to have the lights bright, game. Oh, okay. Okay. No ways through the side, so I guess I have to go through here. Oh Jesus, no! Okay, that's just the TV. Okay, open this up. Ooh. Squeeze through, move towards the gap. Okay. Listen up, I have a story. Sorry, it's a song I stuck in my head. Let's go in here. Confidential! Grab that. No! Ah! What? What? Oh. Hey, no, open it back up again. There we go. No, it quit. Oh, wow. Continue. Where the hell am I? Sorry, where the HE double sticks am I? Okay, it just restarted the whole entire game. That's fine with me. To redo everything. It's gonna be very boring for the next couple minutes because I have to walk through everything. I'm not gonna continue. It might work. It's probably gonna spawn me back here. Yep. Okay. I already know what's gonna happen, so let's open this up. Go through here. Yep. Scary TV thingy. Okay. Happen. Yep. Okay, open this, walk through. Okay, I forgot what happens with here. What happens here? Oh, better. I don't know, I already forgot, but... Confidential. Give me that. Oh, Jesus, no. No! Ah! Oh, my God. Yay. Okay. Closed down twice. Okay. Last time, you're not closing down again. Now it's in here. Hello? No, leave me. Don't leave me. Guess he wants to leave me. He doesn't love me. Ooh. Yeah! Sorry, I thought I could jump. That hurt. I would have made a huge noise like that. Okay, let's go in here. Oh, Jesus, no! Holy nuts. Turn on night vision. Okay, I have to do this. Sorry. Okay, never mind. Oh my God!
They killed us.
Okay, that's great. Who killed you?
The variants.
Who were the variants? on! Oh my god.
And who are you?
I ask you the same thing. I'm actually giving the shivers right now. Hey!
I see.
Hey! Yo! Hey! Nope! Nope! That's my camera. Give it back to me. You stole it. You're gonna go jail for this. No! This is freaky. Stand up, you wimp. Okay, there's dead bodies everywhere. These look like janitors. Ew, there gets it everywhere. Ha! I have blood marks, yay. Oh. Oh, wait. This is what I saw. No, I didn't. Never mind. I thought I saw this. I'm a Ninja Turtle! Okay, get up there. Okay, I'm done. This is scary. I'm gonna play. I'm not gonna play later. This is freaky. Okay. Well. Yep. That's it. Ah, how do you close this down? Save and exit. Exit. Okay, yep. That's it. That's my screensaver. Haha.